Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of affordable performance with the Acer Aspire Lite. This laptop is all about finding that sweet spot, packing a punch without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student juggling deadlines, a professional on the move, or just someone who needs a reliable daily driver, the Aspire Lite has you covered. But what makes this laptop so special? It's all about balance. The Aspire Lite blends powerful components with a sleek and portable design, making it the perfect companion for work and play. And the best part? It does all of this while remaining incredibly budget-friendly. Over the next few sections, we'll break down exactly what makes the Acer Aspire Lite such a compelling choice. From its powerful processor to its stunning display and user-friendly features, we'll explore why this laptop might just be your next digital sidekick. So buckle up and get ready to experience the perfect balance of power and portability. Let's talk horsepower. The Acer Aspire Lite boasts a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 12450H processor. And trust me, this thing is no slouch. We're talking smooth multitasking, effortless browsing with tons of tabs open, and even some light gaming without breaking a sweat. This isn't your grandma's laptop processor. The 12th Gen i5 is a beast, designed to handle demanding tasks without missing a beat. Whether you're editing photos, streaming content, or just jumping between applications like a pro, this processor will keep up with you every step of the way. And don't even get me started on the speed. Paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM, the Aspire Lite boots up in a flash and loads applications faster than you can say performance. Gone are the days of waiting around for your laptop to catch up. With the Aspire Lite, you're always in the driver's seat. So yeah, this little laptop packs a serious punch. It's the perfect example of how you don't need to spend a fortune to get impressive performance. The Aspire Lite is here to prove that power and affordability can coexist. Okay, so we've established that the Aspire Lite has the power. But what about portability? No worries there. This laptop is designed for life on the go. Weighing in at a mere 1.7 kilograms, the Aspire Lite is lighter than most textbooks. Seriously, you can slip this thing into your backpack and barely notice it's there. And don't let the lightweight design fool you. The Aspire Lite is built to last. Its robust construction can handle the bumps and grinds of daily use. But it's not just about practicality. The Aspire Lite also has style to spare. The sleek pure silver finish gives it a premium look and feel, without the premium price tag. Whether you're in a coffee shop, a lecture hall, or a boardroom, the Aspire Lite will turn heads. This laptop is the perfect blend of form and function. It's slim, it's light, and it's built to handle whatever you throw at it. So, go ahead, take your work and entertainment on the road. The Acer Aspire Lite is ready to travel. Section 4. A visual feast, the stunning display. Let's talk visuals. The Acer Aspire Lite features a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. And let me tell you, it's a thing of beauty. We're talking vibrant colors, crisp details, and wide viewing angles that make everything from movies to spreadsheets look amazing. Whether you're editing photos, watching your favorite shows, or just browsing the web, this display brings everything to life. The colors are rich and accurate, the blacks are deep and inky, and the overall clarity is just phenomenal. And don't even get me started on the viewing angles. You can share your screen with friends without worrying about color distortion or washed out images. The IPS panel ensures that everyone gets a perfect view no matter where they're sitting. The Aspire Lite proves that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy a fantastic visual experience. This display is a testament to Acer's commitment to quality, offering a premium viewing experience without the premium price tag. Section 5. Smooth sailing performance and user experience. We've talked about the powerful processor, the stunning display, and the portable design. But how does it all come together in everyday use? In a word, seamlessly. The Acer Aspire Lite is designed for a smooth and enjoyable user experience. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, offering a clean and intuitive interface that's both familiar and refreshing. And with Microsoft Office already included, you can dive right into your work or studies without any hassle. The Backlit keyboard is a joy to type on, offering responsive keys and a satisfying typing experience. Whether you're crafting a novel or just firing off a few emails, the Aspire Lite makes it a breeze. And the large, responsive touchpad provides precise and effortless navigation. But it's not just about the hardware. The Aspire Lite comes with 512 gigabytes of SSD storage, which means lightning-fast boot times and applications that open in a snap. Say goodbye to those frustrating loading screens and hello to a snappy and responsive computing experience. Section 6. Built to last, priced to delight. Practicality and affordability. The Acer Aspire Lite is more than just a pretty face. It's built to handle the demands of everyday life. The robust construction means you can toss it in your bag without worrying about bumps and scratches. The battery life is impressive, offering enough juice to power you through a full day of work or classes. And with a variety of ports, including USB-C, HDMI, and a headphone jack, you can easily connect all your favorite peripherals. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Acer Aspire Lite is its price. Acer has managed to pack all this power, portability, and performance into a laptop that is surprisingly affordable. It's a testament to their commitment to making technology accessible to everyone. Section 7. Ready to upgrade your digital life? So there you have it, folks. The Acer Aspire Lite, a powerful, portable, and affordable laptop that's perfect for students, professionals, and casual users alike. With its impressive specs, stunning display, and user-friendly features, the Aspire Lite is ready to elevate your digital life without breaking the bank. Head over to Acer's website or your favorite online retailer to check out the Aspire Lite and grab yours today. And don't forget to look out for special deals and discounts. You might be surprised at how affordable this little powerhouse can be. Until next time, stay productive, stay entertained, and stay tuned for more awesome tech reviews.